interestingly, so my sister just told me a story. When you saw apparently there was a racist situation in the international school for this girl. My sister just told me about it, and I was like, so like, what? This girl is still living, like, walking around campus free, you know, like. And well, she said that she also reported to the SRC president, and the SRC president is like, well, they should keep it to their side and not bring it to, like, what? Anyways, so, yeah, to fill it in, apparently this drunk white girl called one African-American Nigerian, and she didn't apologize for anything. She was confronted and told her boyfriend and fine she was really.
And spit on him twice.
Oh, yeah, she spit on him? And this girl is still like walking around campus, like no one has called her to yeah, on this campus, on this very interesting campus. Yeah, I was so shocked. My sister just told me about this story. Yeah, you can't do that here. Well, we are doing it.
So my recommendation is that the girl should be arrested and deported. And you know, they asked for my input, but apparently they didn't take it. And they actually wanted me to meet with the brother, and then there was another sister who also, you know, was called the M-word and other stuff. So they wanted them to sit down with me, but apparently they decided they didn't want them to sit down with me. They didn't want them to sit down with me because my recommendations probably wouldn't be, I don't know. So anyway, long story short, they basically, last I heard, they were like, we're in a meeting with all of them. You know, we'll call you when the meeting's done. I never got the call. So, but I'm clear that they did not either arrest or deport or anything. And you know, the person who called me about it was like, you know, this is just like, you know, white privilege. I'm like, yeah. The white girl was like, oh, I don't want to be here anymore. I'm like, that shouldn't be your decision.
No,
that shouldn't be your choice. That you should have documentation, a track record, a criminal record that follows you back to wherever you came from, wherever university.
I feel like wasn't my type of context.
The person who contacted me is, her name was Teresa Kwachi, and she deals with international programs. I think Dean of International Students or, you know, something like that. I would think it went to there, if not higher. And that's who contacted me directly and let me know about it. Then somebody else, one of our students here, Alute, he called me about it after, and he was like, yeah, we got to do something. He was like, yeah, she should be arrested. I was like, that was my exact recommendation. He was like, she should be deported. I was like, that's exactly what I said. He said, you know, if we're saying Black Lives Matter, how are we saying that, you know, wherever, and then you can come to Africa and do whatever.
She's gonna go back to Spurs, yeah, like. So you can't just leave that.
That respect the
Wow.
So welcome.
So what's your recommendation?
My recommendation is this one. So my other recommendation, which I really didn't think they would take, is bring the Mexican and the white girl and just lock them up in my office. And we'll have a capoeira demonstration. Not the nice friendly one with the feet Paraguay one. But they definitely didn't take that one. So I was like, okay, in lieu of that, arrest, deportation, out. And apparently they didn't want to take that one either. I don't know what other recommendation I'm going to make.
That's why I believe that races can be set on the campus. They will be following it.
This is a thing, you remember in Foundations of African Thought, we talked about the Rhodes Scholarship and getting awards from white folks. That, you know, the one who pays the piper calls a tune. Who pays the piper calls a tune. That's an expression, the one who pays the piper. So here's the guy on bagpipe. You say, all right, here's whatever, here's $1. Okay, now what tune do you want me to play? And that's, you know, what we're dealing with here. So if you've already sold, and Prof. Adamako Ampofo, she was like, if you've already sold your soul for a couple bowls of porridge, it's very difficult to get it back later once you realize that it, you know, and this is what we have. So even on the low, I heard that they're moving the Gandhi statue to an IT center that India paid for. An IT center here in, yeah, no, not in the university, but here in Accra, that that they paid for. And it's like, you know, at that point, it's like you already sold your soul. You sold your rear end. You promised this part of your rear end to the Chinese, this part of your rear end to the Indians, this one to the U.S. You got George Bush motorway, and it's so ironic that the end of Kwame Nkrumah motorway is the beginning of George Bush. What does that say? What does that say?
Straight to the oil too.
So this is what we are working with here in neo-colonial Africa. And I realized that we did not deal with the meta-nature that we have here on the cover. So let's start with the cover because we already went into it. But this is a very good model and template of the main thing covered in this book, which is offering formulas. So let's have someone start writing. Nti Joya today be a country. So sometimes we speak Twi in the class. Hello Ga or Ga. So
You speak God.
feel some just a little bit. I'm at the point where I'm making baby sentences.
Do you look at me?
Yeah, maybe.
Yes, sir. If I wrinkle.
You know.
What's the one who you?
Oi.
Or I said,
Yeah. Where the was here night.
the other.
Power. Look. Look at someone. We know here. Ohimaya, do you have a pen drive? Okay. Y'all sorry. Or do you have a laptop or phone or anything you could take? Okay. No, I was gonna send you the PDF if you can read PDFs on the phone. Yeah. Yeah. But what do you mean they're home on the money? Mo, nemo is a man. It's Africa, I see anything.
I didn't say that. Oh. I didn't say come and send their flag. We get a community. So, yeah, air control. Maybe a ball when I say a cast in their flag. Within the Seratis.
Bibisa.
Strats.
Bibisa.
Or he knew him. So, so we what will be area number 1 to right. We will wait for this it's not.
Oh, yeah, there.
To run there. To where? Ma. Okay.
Bro, you boys are one. Mine's no vitro. Now, what's your team? What's your team? And you know what?
Now say it again. Where? And I will say where again.
Net. We didn't yet, sir. There was no one else.
Hey, we did with two.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, put some back.
That's it.
What's up?
Tio Himaya, we are Homa in the Bayajuma. Now, ya call your name craft who said, and you know, young year, and one chance in tea and on the other. Yeah, ba. Yeah, ba. Yeah, ba. In crying, yes, I think I baba. Why? Yeah, I think I baba.
I knew it. Wait. What to say? And I say, why?
It's not news shots.
And I want to stop
I don't want it to be.
Papa. Check net, right?
Is it?
Net.
And then, you will never just say, Ura, to say, Asasura, you see all your baby Ura.
Yeah, I'm a papa Ura.
No, I see.
Where just I say. Where the piano?
Oh, yeah, Maya, you're in open. You're all your wadampa, walk over through.
Actually, it's a red ball.
Menu. Menu. Man.
I think Obo Dana man.
Yebeka. Bo man. So now, at the end, now I'm not idea. At the end, idea. So the verb comes in front into bo man. I feel yebeka idea or bo man. So I am no bo man.
Yeah, me when I make chance.
Yeah.
I want custom. Yes.
Bema baby. Ma akero interest e wakaso. Ma
say Oma judgment say he has Now, say one woman you say just say RIP, rest in peace, just say justification and so on.
Bibisa. No, so ma kasa one chance.
Kasa.
Ma chere ndokre.
Na ka helu one.
Na hero, no na chere enne. Yeah, the casa.
Maybe I'll do that.
Yeah, but then.
Where? Yeah, come on. Anti leper letter. It's me to Bosompa and I say Bosma. Neb a Bura. I feel a Dembura where ta assassin. Tawi. It's Neb Tawi, a Teresa assassin, Mianu Bura. I say a man, Mianu. We are sin. Who said, yeah, who near that's where the sin was red. Sin was red. Who said, you will be a dear day of woman and on a dear name? See, sir, Usa, a chair, a dear, or to me, a dear walk my thing, to another was a dear name. Say a chair, Bama. The way you pass a Bama, a wedding for, as a Bama or Tomb for. Your country are maybe to say a Tomb for Bama. Here, a chair say, yeah. I say a court will be home, and that's a way be man. Yeah, man, the affair of I say, dear now on your man. It just a moo, it is a moo I will dream. Say a come moo. nti ye ma no mu men no menu nti ye fa say menu e bi to say nkaidum ade a aya afore e de ma obosom anase ohene bi a owo ya na bibisa nti ye nkaidum monument anase afore or sacrifice ma ohene bi afele ye bo hu ohene foforo na din nti ye ma no menu nti ye ma no menu chese no na se ni dia no fi se we eye odedie nti ne menu ne nkaidum na fore chese ma tef e ma wa ha na so sa bra wo hu we no chese aja itef nti ye ma no nti ma itef neja nti afiri ye bo hu neja ne pet eto de bia o tro se a mom is a hapet na hapet ana se hapet e tabono se wo hare kodwon tabono so what do you call the thing you roll with? Boa. So neb hapet ra actually say tabono wura owia tabono wura nti owia tabono mo se owia ye fa se owia na wo kodwo bi mu ana so ponto bi mu ana se shine bi mu. So the sun is in a boat, a solar boat. Nti ono o chere se ono na oye tabono owia tabono wura matiase nti and also yeah ohene bide nti sin was right oh yes nkaidum na say for manager net papedra na wo hwa et say ka aja I wo omayim anye yes aja wo nkwa na yo aja nti wo hwa sin was right net jai from amenem heart na so anye amenem heart na o kan ho aso net petra ye hu in the crowd, yes, sir. There is a name the name for that's a way so you pass there and the money back. Ma'a Keru, yes, sir. Ma'a Keru, which is a dear Odi no Krewa in name. Amo. Yeah. Yeah. Nti man chira se ko brofum. Wan obetu na chira se ko brofum. You hear any more? Baba. Sin was right. Yeah, well, who were in phone room? Maybe.
Yeah, I'm carrying
No, I found somebody.
So a middle of Japan, lower Kevin semi-spirits made sacrifice for his father.
And I say everyone on dedication. It can be a monument or it can be a sacrifice. So whatever it is, some type of dedication. Usually it would be like the huge statues or any type of thing like that. All of that can qualify as menu.
Submitted education to his father. Pets Nebra.
So Neb Hapetra.
Neb
Nti rana dia ni me frise ano na ya bibi kronkron. Nti ade a ya kronkron na wo say dia ni. So the holy things have to come in the front. So you write them in front. They call it honorific transposition. It means that you have to honor the thing that's sacred in the name and make it come first.
But rise like the end right now.
And she say I can't. I had never pet ra. That's what you try. You throw ra what's wrong. Transposition. Until say obo and I say nidia udima dia kron.
Pets ground.
No. Nti when you ya chirasia ni na asia na sai ni na asia na sai where can you na I didn't call something now yeah can't be say
My hair from so I hear not that sort of my hair idea. I'm gonna say oh Twi English out in the
eh Qual foi Most of my dream was saying Amon you to me fancy if you say or any you fancy or your bosom. To Brian Castle never lecture, I just say or bosom pa na say or bosom F. And that's in the one fact. Yeah. Yeah, but do you want to say when you're not micro? I will just let you know. And see, Neb Perpetra, you be here, Ra, answer, and see, you be call or throw us as and ensure. I have a whole Ra, I to so no. Neb I can thank until you ever has it. Via to so. Adjacent. A pet. I feel you never share with me. The Neb Hapetra. Now, Neb Hapetra or your wine. Who was Neb Hapetra? Maybe I have a hundred in for. Was I told the beer, say, a dim be yet me call feeding 10 times so, or I am say, a mawaha. What did you say about yeah, I am say, I had a Neb Perpetra ne din foforo ya Mentu Hotep. Mentu Hotep atoso mieno. Mentu Hotep. Ah, say on any. Yeah. Ono na ochichire ai no imfinfini ahemano. Mo se tetedie no na ewo ho. Ono na o share imfinfini de na ase. Mechire asoko brof mo Middle Kingdom. Enti ono na o share ase. Wo hwe nimfoni nso a me wo nimfoni nso ha. Enti ansa na oba no o ma no na ya basa. What I say, and they say, Obia Koni Yonko, Obia now person D in the Yonko so. And the honor by no owner or Sankan Kime Bom. What I say, and see your Nipa Titrepa, I war a box. To say Nama, Pepe, Neb Hapet Ra. I am from Mentu Hotep. Nti obi antro ewe nti wodi a kire nyama bebre so what I say a kire se senia enemre wo fra obi waja en kire se ono na wo what I say Fra Eja Kwame. Akwara me hunu da obefra me Eja Kwame. What you say? E kire se Mentu Hotep na se ne Pepetra e neja enkantom se enye ono na awo no. What you say? E kire se afore eno so ne wo ho. Se se enemri sanka wo nana se be wa kone krechi. Oboye bibi ma no te se ohoni na se bibi sa kire se ode obuo ni die ene odo e kire no. What you say? Nti sa nyon nyina kire se sa adwe no na edaso wa ha. What you say? What you say? What's it? Yeah. So it shows that one, just like how in African societies you can call someone your father even if they're not your biological father, right? So in this, he's referring to Mentu Hotep who came much before he did as his father. His biological father is Amenemhat, but he's saying, I'm making this dedication to, or rather, it's speaking in third person. It's saying the good deity, the Lord of the two lands, Sinwosret, that he did a dedication for his father, who is Mentuhotep, whose other name, which is what you see here, is Neb-Hapet-Ra, right? And Neb-Hapet-Ra is Ma'akeru, which is true of voice. It's that when you pass on, you have to say all these 42 declarations of what you did, what you didn't do. And once you do that, then it's said that your heart was lighter than the feather of Ma'at, so therefore you're declared to be true of voice. Right? So it's saying that you ascend to become one of the good ancestors. What's that? What is? So that's what Ma'akeru is. So anytime you mention the name of someone who has passed on, you say Ma'akeru. So that's what we were saying before. It's like when you say a person's name in English, then you can say rest in peace, right? So that is a similar, well, it's not a similar idea. It's saying that this is a person who not only passed on, but has ascended to become one of the great ancestors. They were adjudicated to be correct in their life and in all of their dealings. So they're Ma'akeru. So let's look at their pictures. Intimishia Sinwosret, I wore Waset. So I met Sinwosret and Osset and we took a picture together. Cousin said, hey, me who I chair. I said, I walk around me who I chair. Walk on here. Say, oh, me too quite a cry, my so any aquaba, no more wawa too, Miss Medasi. And born come on. Only. Sinwosret. Who say send me? Oh, Anka wa wa ka na ma di woni ma twa no. Me da se. Na me ka say o send me a chere sin ho fe. Was that just me my bohom prenu? Who was that? Now, who was any or more you meet I will have it. I didn't know my miss. Almost said that. I won't person what team on first on now. So I'm my quine. Ramesses out also me, you know. Uso Ma'at Ra Setepen Ra. I sound from Ramesses out also me, you know. Symbols right. Maya. Akhenaten. And you know, your boy Busia Baku, you say, what bay? Me say, I am my bar. And that's it. I feel like I say, any traveling from your family call if you say, I had the Arab for harder than that. My doors were her, and see, Mammy call me, say, you any of the overcall. Inquire. I feel my share mental hotel also now. Is it a pass? Ebra, you tell Modina, and I say, I can't want some say to me, Senamotiano. Who in a penny? As our hen be, who none of Fafa, as our no Fafa be. I was saying, yeah, who am I? And I say a jamba at Tamfoa. Because oh, almost say a brony huno. so it's a boy. Aha. Meja. Also, backwards. Also, what check around now? Sancho, what check? Shannon of Fafa. I didn't. Who shall we are? Zone. You didn't require enough for the move for baby kakara. It's in my samba. We are Ramesses out to so miansa. We be a peppy. I mean, is it? Yeah. A tap dinner soup. A tap neb yao Sunachuru Sarah. Oh, I see her. Oh, she wear Sarah. The Chelsea Oya Neba Oya Babema. Is your Hannah a dinner woman who ye? It's a win. I ever heard. And you're not known because of my own toss. And there were new hall. I will say, we are just here. So the farmer. You have video you're in. Where are we now? Chapter 14.
No,
After page 14. I said, chapter 14, what do you work on him? And you ask him what? Say, you mean, yeah. Has it? Yeah. I find how we very own. It's my intro. Into Babama, sa, and I say sa. Okra, ka, and I say ka. I throw. We, sa, throw anyway, and I say we. She'll say we, yes, ah. When so ka, k, ah. Writing. Kada me ba man ko sro kakra me biade. Yeah. Joy, what's the watch wrong? What's the watch wrong?
Oh, am I taking notes?
This is in your casa no.
Oh, I'm supposed to draw.
I'm quiet. My home next. This sa ka. What about her? I am my what about her? Watch you. Why? And the answer. Bamana kan. Anything. Me chia wo mokase. Because any chia wo bakase mba. We name in chia keke. So. And the Amoka count. Is that your way? Just a museum. So. Yeah, I am in Chelsea, I would say. Well, you can get what you want to
car, you try to cry.
Welcome. Sa. Oh, Himaya. You know what I'm going to do? What's up? Hi. Yeah. How am I in the office? You're a machine.
Então, como eu disse, é um novo flag. Um ou outro flag. Now, you say, I'm more young people are in Nigeria. You say, yeah, you have a So this one, we read the whole thing in Twi. The author sent an advanced copy via PDF. So we went through it, and then he actually came and brought a hard copy for her, signed it and everything. So the next step is to read the Wolof one. Hi, Koyama. You know, he gave a talk on Wednesday.
I saw the announcement about it at night.
Okay. Yeah. Come on, yeah, try to sing into the best. They are to a baby to make up.
It's really say way
So it's a chim, and that's a big fine. Did your home for a wet? It's a Brian can say wet, and I said you'll be a pan or be a pine, and I said, Dino, and I said, Money. It's because the other four. Quizzy, when you were running, I would see. And a dim room. And it will be a quine. There will be a quine, or be a quine. You know, I said one almost in 1 year. Now, being yes, I will be. down from there. Senior officer will be a son officer until say, so, and yes, I will say, I'm in Romadia. Mo. When so? Abju Jedu Modin Knum. When you send the din the Amon, Sa Amon Awahasi, and the din, and there you the one. So, one year. What over you? I told the beer, so we shall see how much say, ah. Say, Shasia. I told the beer, I'm say, E. Now, so we shall go home, Casabi to say, King Rwanda. I'm afraid on Yamese Imana. Nti ebia na ayesa I sere hu ade no na so ayade a mo yakeke se ehyaase a mo ye na a za amen titire no bra wo hwe kasa tise Hebrew for kasa o kasa amen na se bro for kasa mo kasa amen nti o mo fa se ebia I ede anima ebia na ya a o se ne hu abibi kasa foforo te se edin te se ama me ba din ama ye wono wo onyameda eso ntina ifren ama enokra sene si twanitia wonim edim moa no edin moa amemmenewa aye twanitia se ama kwamena aye kwame amemmenewa kwamena nti eto de bia me frɛ me say amemene wa bra nti ono a onim sɛ ama amemene wa yɛ twantia ate afei te sɛ memene da ni na onyamene da ayɛ wɔ no yɛ frɛ onyankopɔn twere mponkwame nti ni na ɛwɔ saa deɛ we no ti wo sɛ din te sɛ kaza te sɛ twi kaza te sɛ dogon onyame mo frɛ ama wɔte sɛ nti ebi wo ha mo fa se a na hyase ebi so King Rwanda na sa apie fo no fa se I na hyase mo yana imana nti akoye se chi ni na ye chi na so ebi ka kwame na ebi so ka se kwame tin se tire se go hodo ni na ye kasa ba ko na so go hodo ama wo de na efe aya di o udin no honam se We are not come some web or wet. The woman share a dimit a quasi, Budria, just a dria, I wore a chino, a fide of Bria quine, and on a say, Onona or a name. The Wusha now watch a friend now watch if you say, Quasiana, dear name, now watching so now a tratwa. And see, I'll call it an immune. I feel you for say, I'll cry your war. You'll be to say, you know, Adriana 4. Some ban or Oja, I drum one. Some now on the Ojana by. The Senator whom I will have see, there will be a quino, I or cramine. See, what I say. See if I say, Sir, or be a quine, and nona, I'll be a quine, and also now a Budia, and see a name and a chin in our background. The war here, a more BB to say, or war. I Nankazan in Diana Triano. What I say, it is a fair ball, and Fitiasena a year, a Riensona a Fitiasia. It is hard, you know, who say, and yet, and yet, and yet. A more BB say. A year or doom be I yet to meet the year and you numb on what then. Jedu. Jed. I didn't say something. I no. I know you did. I told you that you have far count out. Sikolaiko, wa, oh, Sikolaiko, oh, Sikolaiko. Monio, you more sound as Yamano. Wep wa wet. Obia quine. What's the name of it? Aluna can do for the Aluna can do something. Aluna can do for the Aluna can do something. Now, don't be why they didn't their coning pool. Now, you're creating one tennis. Now, you're okay. Now, you're okay. Okay, you're farmer. Now, you're okay. One tennis. Now, you're from merit. That could be okay. Catherine, you say, share. Me be too quite a cock upon Kemetmo. I go for one Bremema. I go for no Bremema. Cosuso a brodua, a come a bro patafu. After a triamono, no mammy. After going to sue a bro her cousin Siama and Yere. Hi, Grandma. She said, Ogwa, she said. Not all take Senegal, Ogwa. Oh, I or take Senegal. She said, you are 2 call Ogwa. Only Ogwa. Cape Coast. Ogwa. Nena no ya fancy, Neja no ya Ukraine. Until all ya encranty. What's your war? Ah, yeah. What was one? Eva, Quabin. Sir, a crappy man. Mo, ah, yeah. Ocroma nefe. Papa. The web away. Okrama. Also, Okrama said, you know, more minimum than your casa. Well, now wait, what? Wo, at. Is that my son goes through? What? It's web. What? I feel the who natural doodle. It's what? I feel the with the who what? I feel the who number 30 doodle. A teacher of what? You know, if who number. Well, someone. Now, Mama Choro Bibi. Now, I told you, sat, Homa, India, a year or bad, and I said, or bad, what's that? nti saa o anka betere dubo eya ye de ba ha asant ne baba we say we na tere dubo so bra eye oba dia eni dubo ide dubo na ba ha si me wa nti yo wo bi ti say me ni say is that was that the next case you are never be I find say be a bema de be say or bad ye or just if you never say be what to say wa they are bema de be so wa yeah what that na je homa say sad ye we or bad ye nti ebra yinano dodo kan dia ya o na be ba ni everybody in Chile. So I own actually do work come here. Say, and you're back up. What I say, do work. And see, bra, they Bema Dino, own never back in Chile. Now, I told the beer or bad Diano in the bar and in my message. And not to now, over Yana. Wow, wet. What I say. Until the brought from a web wet, and once in Amayana, wet, you say, we are wet.
You know,
I. That's all. Who said, or bad, you know, sad good walk, you can find share a cheat with the bar and sun. Sad. See a can, son. Eti who say I see we okay purpose so we are what it is a fine back so now we're since Sunday back also we a war is enemy and some I should say and yeah quine back on will be a quine here will be a quine back will be a quine. Eti when you who are no eat. Amosama and Chirashiramu Kakra. Nti sa eat and that's it. What is it? And no, a jar. Nti bra kase or ye sad you know manager. Some of Kaya Neb Hapet Ra. And it's a touch as here, no be a while. Almost say, oh, Sana, we are such a. Hey, y'all sorry, what bread? Look at my bread. I'm saying, Brasso.
Also, like I
Wait. Wait. Yeah.
I said,
Fedu. Alright. My young call, I'm a winner. Woman. Never. How many maybe? I would say I had Dodo a monstrum. Also a war. Some home women. We are Raketi Amen Homa Major Wafa. And see, Eduma or your bibini. Now, Eduma teacher, I am the cell per se. Ye de Medunature Castle per se, ye can't. What you say? Of I say, and ye Casa will yet me the Eduma Fisher. If you are Israel for Omode Sarcasa would have died than on the Eduma and I didn't into me for Medunature and can. Inti na or tro kwan bi so a ye betumi aka so ye ho ade no aha enti fedu ye na kase enti wa sen Gemet, Fedu, Dio, Sisu, Safrech, Gemnu, Passage, Medj. It was our home. I can among ye interest your money. You do now more to say. It is a young home for our Sanchez. Who said, Sam home I can. I'm of us I am 50 as a dear moon shed down cordial mudo. Nothing in our way.
I'm not sure if we want to cut one.
Yeah, what are you smith talk? And Members, Major Wafa. Or children from Members of family home before until I'm found. Now, I idea yet me talk, I will feed the entire soon. What I will so tongue. Just a minute. Then the boy should not yet answer. And just a week. Well, the boy, I had been a pea. I had done it. They said, now what you back on need it. Not I come, I won't hear. We are not if I say Juma will say it's a young corner that you be in the home of this harbor. Wa sen Gemet, Wa sen Gemet, Wa sen Gemet, Fedu, Dieu, Wa sen Gemet, Fedu, Dieu, Sisu, Safari, Gemet, Passage, Medj. Mali de Hanukuna, Wea Demnafa, Wea Demnafa. Renpet, Medj Fedu, Her Hem, Nesubiti, Ka Kepara, Kepakara, Ankh Jet. We Rinpet Mej T Dew Harhem Nefa Necher Nebtawi Ra Maat D Ankh Mira Jet. Jet Chirese Afi I Toso Adununum I war or Heninonim him and Chirese or Henny. I war Henny and him never nature says Bosompa and I say Bosoma Nuhofe Nebtawi Assassin Mianura Ra in Maat and D Ankh it just said Manqua me Ra where me where Ra Tese Uya Jet Afibor. Now once a tree of a cancer Afibor. Now Afibor teacher no a nehe. I just say Emremu Afibor eternity Afibor. And see what we share came at moi Afibor a Emre so a nehe. I will make the lecture with your jet at it. My father said baby. Now your baby to say you can't say baby and he said baby I want body money now. Baby I want body money now. Until when so we shall we are Osro. What can say and kind sounds wrong. Also, better that you're from a pet. Pets. Yeah, but so far as I said, I want the din so. Say the dinner I will Osro in us in team fancy Osro in form in a Lydia. Cancer pet Kepakara and it's a Kepakara and I ever can also your jura and it's a Osro my one so. No. If I say, I can say, Ankh Jet. Now, Afibor, somebody say, Afibor, Emremu. Now, so Brian can say, I know your nehe. Now, Brian can say, Jet, and say, I want a body money now. What you say? A body money now, I need every year. I know your jet, Brian can say, Jet, and they say, baby. Brian casting the head until they say Afibor. About yet.
Say The woman always try to then endure it.
The way jet.
Wait on that.
Sapu wo. I think there was run on a match.
Where a match.
No, no, actually, do.
It's enough.
There were G. Match for do, which is a do 9. G. I think it's also do 9. Now, set, let me say, set our honor and church. The rim petting one and fire and brother. James said, what you set, you know, how much interest in the moon. Say, rim pet and fire and brother.
To whom I just have faith.
I feel I took do 9. Rimpet I feel Medj Fedu. I feel I also do 9. Her, actually say I want a name. Now I feel the wine and him. Him.
Obi walk. So where
Where? Her.
say
Yeah. The woman also say, wow, you say, I told them, yeah, I'm on flat and says, and then someone else would say, wow, you say, yeah. Have a way, and since I did. And we are, I just said him. And you know, if your home or any, now you're classical one, you just said His Majesty, Her Majesty. Actually, or any him. So, you know, home, maybe to say, Chicasa, dear. Wine dear, need dear. Nesu. We are Nesu. Nesu biti. That year we know enough for more. Nesu biti. Nice.
actually say
and where a wawa. There wawa, unim wawa. Our team.
yeah.
Never no ya wawa. 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 What question? We name our wife now Wawa. Wawa. Come on. I know a Kotokrodu.
I kind of say.
I know I'm. And see, Nesu, a Jina Homa, anafo kemet anafo eno ye nesu bt ejina homa kemet etifi na kai se anafo na ewo soro anafo na ewo soro etifi so na ewo fam ya how ati enti bra ya ka se him ne su biti e kire se osoro ne fam nyina ahene anafo ne etifi nyina ahene afi kepa kara ne din ank jet etete manenkwa manenya nkwa awo bebia awo body mu nyina bebia obekọ bia manenya nkwa
nti we amde ma we say your bia browana say
there on we se owo a ene se yebe tworo maakeru e kire se ye mpeso owu e kire se bra ye we no na oda sete nkwam wati ase enti ete se bra wo chia ohene maka se onya nkwa tintin wati ase ne bresonjo bibia nkoso ye ma no wati ase Yoruba for mo sanya sa oni ki irukara palawo ese ma bodu anche wonsam enche wonsam ki bata pelese ese ma wompabwa manenche wo na ase ni na ne se ma onya nkwatintin nti sa na ye no ha ki ade pe lori ki ade pe lori ese ma ahinche ma nche wo triso wo apampam ni na kire sa de ba ho aye no aso ye kan wo anrinsum kwanso jet mira na Asa Hilliard minim say ebia motin din Asa Hilliard waka baby na ye medu nache ne kemen hon simpi nti oka se wo hwa brofo kasa bra mo ka se o nipa e kire se oyem fomso e kire se onye e kire se oya ade a e bone wachatie sa na nipa se kire ma abrofo nanso oka se bra wo hwa kemet ene se nipa bia tumi te se oya ene se otumi dimo they can be perfect wachatie enti wo bo bra ya ete se wotumi ya bibi te se oya enti sa na ye hu ha mi ra wachatie omona obenya se te se oya afebo obiya ne nyama te se oya afebo ayo be bia body mu nyina sa na ye hu nipa afi wo hwe bibi te se ba Congo fo bara ka ba Congo here say for come na so the country ba na edodo eti wo hwe bibi te se ba Congo fo omo fa se nipa bia te se owia nipa ba ko bia te se owia ene se ye wo apieye ye wo owiginaye afi ye wo atoye na se owia ato a kire se eni hobbi wana na so wo what did you can see na so wo nti afi de wo anjo konkon na se odesium afi esampiepio enti sanso na ehun se nipa tie se owia se ye pie anopa ete se nkokwa babies ete se nkokwa afi nyini a ekwara afi nyini yetuso maba brantie afi yedro penim breso afi ye bon kokra ne mrewa asa ye wu na ye sana babu
no you are which say about see that just I said essentially just
I work as a bem I will
And also the two way.
Nti ku owo. Eno kra te say Yoruba kasa. There is a ku awo Yoruba kasa there say wo. Iku etere owo. Na wo ka say bibi te say aba.
I would say I fancy
Ku.
Nti eno so na be to say.
Afi, who say Congo for Omoka say nipa ba ko bia ye nginga kire say aba. Nti on fa here. Wo ka say mono nginga kire say meye aba. Aiwo abamu, aiwo aye aba. Nti who say nyina ye toto ho kire adua mu do fa se ne a nipa ban ne nipa so atia no afi ye be hu bibi aiwo kasa bebre mu te say twi kasa bra kasa obinya na wiawo kire say want me anyini nduro nkokora brem ansa na owo ye no owo awia kete matiasia enti nyina kire say ye hu say senia owia epie dakro yina na akoye say one kwana nyina bom ya tisa afi Yoruba kasa almost more kasa kwa atisa ote abrochire ejumi wo ho offer a night shift nyonto kwa you from Commodores now omoto nyuma Marvin Gaye nyane baby ko ya no afi osi omokase yenim say wogo so tonyum I were anajo adwumam what you say and I say oyato now so you say wogo so tonyum I were asamando me tisa me ka say sa adwin na da so wo ho afi Talib Kweli ono so wo dwumbe of good morning MOURNING say good morning, good afternoon, good night, what have you done with your life? I should say one kwanya nyina to say anopa area anumre afi e go say pie bi decide e wo na say na opening bi wo ye no I wo sa krata mo de chiche nkrofo no mo tworo e da ye wo no mo kire say owia apie e da wo ye no mo tworo say owia atoye sunrise sunset is a dream na that's all every sabre de be seen ne and that's what dream say and you part to say owia
So I think very much is sound to be from
I feel okay say Aisha or in ba say dey your hu ha no me ya bi mama ja enti me di kan no me say na so neb hapetra anya neja anfa me hu say neja me say na so me ni ma ba ko so ma neja na amenem heart ansara me ka say me obibini ade na ha me neja enti ni na ekire adua abifokuta yo say sere ka no mrana so enti na watch ba ya beto aso who say ye hwe nyina bom every say ma no ye miensa enti ya hwe no web no ye mieno what nkwa no ye miensa enti ye hwe nyina bom enti unim man share jumadi I walk ratified to so aduno nsia and the to so aduno song so the exercise on 26 and 27. nti we are you no I will back or soro no kepo kara I know yes sun was red the mrani back ma nyene kesi kakra so mobekaya sa kepo kara sun was red the mrani back nti de ho anim no so mobekaya de shasia no sun was red I know you who are afi ne mrani back kepo kara nti sa ahim for teacher de say with me kai say amodin amode ayede wo mo afi de omo akonwa din afi de omo wo emrane nti ewo mo a de say with me hu say oh sa ade we no esa ye sa nipa ba ko na ye ka no ho asom mo sa sia amenem hat nti sinus red eya amenem hat adika ne ba nti sa hetep ibra je oma ra akomato ne yam nti ye kan ye namnom kasa ai ohema ya mangkasa medeo yo enti yo yes ti bema be bi wa me nyina right right c'est bien oui if funny by yeah my share funny no wavy minim now so if I say a share your friend the pet my mentor what we share the pet ship yes. And that's do what me I can
It's really an event. Yeah, so I'm saying that we're trying to start the first book that I want to do is last time assistance from to whatever environments. If you don't get that, probably let me know and find other ways. But I'll send you the PDF.
This is what you call guerrilla tourism, because you're not supposed to take pictures there. Yeah, you're not supposed to take pictures at a mosque or in the Tutankhamun room. So I said, okay, and I just put it around my neck. Oh, okay, no problem. Let me just take pictures of what I just see around. Okay.
So what was this?
This is in the Cairo Museum, the Egyptian Museum of Cairo. So, you know, you're not supposed to take pictures or video in there. But me, I had other ideas. I said, how you gonna come to my family reunion and tell me I can't take pictures? I see my folks in a minute. I'm taking me some pictures. So all of these are our stolen goods and stolen artifacts that we gotta get back. And there was an article that came out about this knife that said it actually came from a meteor that landed, and they mined the metals in the meteor in order to make this knife here. So of course you're not supposed to have pictures of it. I said, oh, I read the article. I said, oh, I got a picture of that. I know just the one you're talking about. Thanks. So, so just imagine that. It's like, all right, here this meteor landed, and they, you know, documented. They said, oh, we saw this streak. It landed, I think, in the western desert. Said, all right, let's go. They got there and said, okay, great. This is going to, this Tutankhamun's knife. Did it up. So now you got a space knife. Cafeteria. There's Bush Canteen, which is close to a cafeteria. Mo Bush Canteen.